If you want to get a live wallpaper on Samsung Galaxy A27, we have two main methods that allow you to do so. The first method is to open Settings. Then over here in Settings, we want to go to Wallpaper and Style. Then over here, choose to change wallpapers. And then in here, we have these graphical wallpapers that are actually animated. For example, if I choose this one, and if I try to set it up, you'll notice that we have a little animation going on over here. So of course, if you like it, you can just set it up and that's all. However, if you are not really satisfied with these animated wallpapers, then what you can do is you can get a third-party app that allows you to use animated wallpapers or video wallpapers. So we're gonna go to the Play Store and you can just simply type something like animated wallpapers, live wallpapers, or video wallpapers. Let's say I'm gonna type animated wallpaper. There we go. And as you can see, we have many different apps that, of course, should allow you to get animated wallpaper. Now, in my case, I'm going to use this Zedge app over here because I think it has like the largest number of wallpapers that we can use. I'm going to install it, and I'm going to show you how to set it up. But feel free to try any other app if you feel like it. Maybe you can find another app that has a cool animated wallpaper that you wish to use. So once the app is installed, we want to open it over here. Next, over here, we're going to tap on Accept and Continue. Then over here, I'm going to tap on Accept again. We don't have to agree to receive notifications, so you can tap on that now. Then we have a premium offer, which we can close by using this X in the upper right corner. Now over here, we're going to go to Video Wallpapers. And as you can see, we have many different examples that we can immediately use if you want to. Let's say I'm going to choose one of these categories, like let's say Nature. And as you can see, we have a bunch of different wallpapers that we can use on our phone. Let's say I'm gonna choose this one over here. Let's see how it looks like. And if you like the animation, what you can do is you can use this download button that we have at the bottom of the screen, this purple button. We have two options here. We can watch an ad and get the wallpaper for free, or you can use credits. We get 10 credits once you install the app, so pretty much the first wallpaper is for free, but then you will have to actually pay for these credits to be able to spend them. But of course, we can just watch an ad without paying for anything, and then just wait for the ad to be done and to skip it. And after that, we have the option to set video wallpaper. We're gonna go ahead and select this option. Then you can choose to set wallpaper over here, and you can decide if you want to use it on the home screen, lock screen, or both. And let's say I'm gonna choose for both. And there we go, we have our animated wallpaper. Leave a like and subscribe.